In the Max session Glow Up Tips for Illustrator, I've come across this tip here to create these overlapping letters inside of a text. Now to get this, you start by creating the text with a very tight tracking. So this is -170. But use anything you like to get letters that are overlapping. If you now apply a stroke to that, then you get these intersections, and that's of course not what we want. And in order to make them overlap, all you need is actually one effect. So what doesn't work is applying it like this to the word which is styled like in here. So currently the stroke is applied to the characters, like it's in here in the appearance panel. And that is something that will not work with this particular effect, because the effect itself will apply it at another level. It will apply it at the type level, at the type object. So let's take this away. Now, in order to get that effect, all we need is Pathfinder trim. So now it's there, we only do not see it. If you would just select one of the characters, apply a color, and then select the next one and apply a different color, then you see everything is already there. The only thing that we now need is a stroke around that. So what we could do is just apply a stroke, but we need to apply it to the text object. So just make a stroke, and let's just make it white, and then you see we've got the effect. So that's all you need. The Pathfinder trim does it all.